Namaskar friends, keep learning with Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session, we will understand how Indian importers boycott the Turkey goods. Okay, so boycott Turkey calls a look at actions taken in the India over its support to Pakistan after Operation Sindoor. Okay, so what action taken by the Indian peoples in respect of the Turkey goods? We will understand. Okay, so after Operation Sindoor, India has seen growing call to the boycott Turkey for the support for Pakistan. Okay, how this Turkey support to Pakistan by providing the drones which will be used in the war against India sent by the Turkey. Okay, and the sentiment need to understand when the earthquake happened in the Turkey, Indian army give the operations and help to peoples in Turkey. Okay, in return, what Turkey has given us drone to kills Indian peoples. Okay, so we need to understand how Indian peoples boycott the goods of the Turkey. Okay, so we can understand Jamia Millia Islamia. This is the university is declared the suspension of its academic MOUs. Okay, there is a MOU with the Turkey. Okay, by JMI. ठीक है, Jamia Millia Islamia has declared the suspension of the academic MOU. Okay, this is the memorandum of the understanding with all of the Turkey educational institute. Okay, so whatever MOU signed with the Turkey are the cancelled. Okay, declared to suspend of this MOUs. Okay, which is regarding the Turkey educational institute. So it is a national security consider. Okay, due to this national security consider, the all MOUs are cancelled. Okay, then lovely professional university and all MOUs with Turkey. Okay, so first Jamia Malia Islamia declared this suspension of the academic MOU. Then lovely professional university and the all MOU with the Turkey. After that, JNU has cancelled the MOU signed with the Turkey. Okay, IGNU universities. Okay, then Hyderabad Maulana Azad National University also scrapped the MOU signed with the Turkey. Okay, then Empire Institute of immediate effect. So we know that these are the universities. How this cancel the MOU with the Turkey. Then the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, the security division of the Minister of Civil Aviation, has cancelled the license of the Turkey from Selby Aviation on the Tuesday. Okay, the Selby Aviation is there is a company which store the good at the airport. Okay, Indian IG airport. When we import the goods from other country, the goods are kept for some time for examination purpose, which is the Selby Aviation's company. So this is working since long with Indian airport. Now the license is cancelled with the Turkish firm Selby Aviations. Okay, the company offer the ground handling service 9 major airport across the India. So this company is working with India across the 9 major port. So this license is cancelled. Okay. Now travel platform including the Easy Make My Trips, Cox King and Excogo have halted their booking with Turkey. Okay, so this booking was also halted. Okay, many people cancel these trips. Okay, then fruit trader have started boycotting Turkish goods. Okay, Turkey supply the drone to Pakistan, which used to use in attacking against India. That's why we have declared we have decided to stop the selling of Turkish foods. NI quotes. Okay, Shabazz Khan, local fruit leaders saying. Okay, then Udaipur marble traders terminate the business with the Turkeys after allying with the Pakistan amid an ongoing tension between India and Pakistan. Okay, so we know that there the trader of Udaipur also cancelled the business deal with the Turkey exporter. Fruit trader also boycott the goods of the Turkey foods. Okay, travel platform also cancel the multiple booking with the Turkey. Okay, and also we can understand the Selby Aviation's company, which is working India's 9 major airport for the grounding the goods which are imported and exported. So this license of this company also cancelled in India because we have helped Turkey at the time of earthquake. But in return of this helping, this Turkey is providing the drone to Pakistan to kill Indian peoples. So guys, we can understand this thing how this Turkey behavior toward the India. So guys, we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.